What's up guys, D-Car Guy here, and the sensor that we're going to be replacing today is the camshaft position sensor, which is right here. So the first thing you're going to want to remove is the PCV breather hose, which is attached to the head. Just take that out and sit that to the side just to get it out of the way, and then you're on to the next step. You don't have to do this, but I like to remove the alternator ventilation piece just to have a little bit more space. After that, using a 13mm socket, go ahead and remove your oil filter cap, and then we're on to the next step. So once you got the oil cap out of the way, the next thing to remove is the valve noise solenoid. That pretty much tells the camshaft position sensor what to do. I use this right here, but you could also use a crescent wrench to remove it as well. So once you get the solenoid loose, I'm not exactly sure what size this is, so I used a 3/4 because I was kind of in a rush. But once you get that bolt loose, you go ahead and remove the line from the bottom of the solenoid. So after removing the line, I ended up taking the screw that came out of there and placed it into a 19mm socket, and it fit nicely. So guessing that's the size if you guys were wondering the size on that screw. So once you get the solenoid out of the way, you go ahead and sit that to the side, and behind the solenoid is the camshaft position sensor. In order to remove that, you use a 5mm hex, and then once you have that removed, you go ahead and put the new one in and then just restart the installation process, and there you go. If you've got an E36 or a BMW in general and you like my content, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I definitely will have more videos coming soon on different cars and as well on this one. The update on this car, nothing's really been happening too much with the hurricane and whatnot, but definitely working on getting this car worked up. But anyways guys, until next time.